Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. To restart iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, you need to quickly press and release on the volume up button, then press and release on the volume down button, then press and hold on the power button on the right side until your display goes off. So quick press on the volume up, volume down and power, and let's keep pressing and holding until the display goes off. Now the display is off, so I can release the power button and wait a moment until Apple logo comes up, and that means that the phone starts restarting, and after a short while it will be on again. And now iPhone 16 or 16 Pro is on, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.